Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a message that I received from YouTube team. Unfortunately, it's a sad message. The message is all about that my YouTube channel is no longer a part of the YouTube monetization ability. My YouTube has been demonetized, which is very shocking. I received that message last night. It was a surprise because I was like, I've been working on this channel tirelessly for many years now. I am a musician, I'm an actor, I compose music, I'm a music producer. I do community service, but at some point I realized that I made mistakes. We have to admit our mistakes. When you did the mistakes, you have to tell people that you did it. And the mistake that I want to share with you, it is not because that I know that it is a mistake, but due to the policy of YouTube, I re-upload other people's content. And I thought that if YouTube send you a message that this video has a copyright in it, I thought that that is when you will realize that you have to delete the video, re-edit it again, and then re-upload. So this is what I was doing. Some of the content, basically they are not my videos. Yes, of course they are not. I realized that I made mistakes, and today I want to share with you what I'm going through. My YouTube is no longer monetized. It is demonetized right now as I speak to you. And I want to share with you what you have to avoid before you receive the same message. And I believe that there's other creators out there who been also in the same situation. So right now I realized that I made mistakes, and my mistake was re-uploading shorts which I download from YouTube and then re-upload them. So my channel being demonetized due to this issue. And what I am doing right now, I contact the creator support teams, and what they were telling me, they say that I re-upload other people's content, or my content rematch with other people's content, which I totally understand. It is understandable, but I thought the team should have sent me a warning message, or a message that indicate that I have a problem there, instead of demonetizing my channel. And they want me to appeal, to send a message that I should appeal to them, and they said they can respond to my message after 14 days, which I find that this is hard for me, 14 days. And then again, I realized that after receiving this message last night, I went through some stuff trying to research about this reuse content policy issue. I did find out that the shorts that I re-upload were the one making my YouTube to be unhealthy for YouTube to stay monetized. So they demonetized my channel, and my channel is no longer part of the YouTube partner eligibility. So YouTube's shorts are making our channel unhealthy. So before I talk to you about what to do when you receive the message, and while I'm going through this stuff, I would like you to do the same. Know what content you are uploading and what you should do or avoid. So if you want to continue, you want to know what I'm doing next, is watch the other videos right here. I will share with you what to do or what I'm doing right now. Thank you for watching.